Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Pratham's Fun Learning. Thank you for liking my videos. If you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another video. In the last video, we talked about matter and some facts about them. In this video, we will talk about changing the states of matter. We know that matter can be a solid, liquid, or a gas. These are the three states of matter. But do you know that matter can change from one state to another? A solid can become a liquid, or a liquid can turn into a gas. We have seen these changes in our daily life, but we never thought about it. How do the states of matter change? One way matter can change from one state to another is by changing the temperature. Water is something that we all use every day to survive and live well. Let's look at the water. What state of matter is the water in? Yes, it's in liquid state. But do you know that water can be a solid, liquid, or a gas? Water can turn into a solid, ice, when we put it in the freezer. Let's put some water in the freezer and see what happens. Yes, the water will freeze into ice. However, it is still water. It is just in solid state. Now, if we keep these ice cubes out of the freezer, they will turn into liquids. So we saw that liquid can turn into solid and solid can turn into a liquid. But how about gas state? Now, let's heat the water at boiling temperature and see what happens. You can see the steam coming out of the pot, which is still water but in a different state. Yes, now the liquid water is turning into gas state. Please be very careful if you try this experiment because boiling water or steam can harm your body if not handled carefully. When we boil the water, we can see the steam, but where did the water go? Yes, now the water has turned into gas and mixed into the air. Water is not the only thing that can change states from changing the temperature. There are some other things that can change their states, such as baking soda and vinegar. This was a quick experiment about changing states of matter. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye. Thank you.